PMAYG houses incomplete even after 2 years. Wood bridge in deploration conditions under Nilip block. Water supply scheme only in name. Employees of Prilo water supply scheme enjoy salary without any work. Mensing Terang seeking financial help. Good evening, you're watching News 24 Karbi Anglong. I am Beauty Rompipi. Now let's begin with the headline show. The local villagers of Prilo did not have the facility to proper drinking water under PHE scheme even after 7 years. Even after the completions of PHE water supply scheme in Prilo under Kopili constituency, the people did not get proper drinking water facility for the last 7 years. The local people stated that the construction of the PHE tank was completed 7 years ago, but it is still non-functional. The local people faces lots of problems regarding proper drinking water. They are still waiting for the PHE for supplying clean drinking water. They request the authority, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Mr. Tuliram Ronghang for starting this water supply facility for the people of this region. Our special correspondent from Kolonga, Chesong, Timur, News 24. 3 nodes of PMAYG houses at Thanglong village, Tiso are still incomplete. Under Kopili constituency, PMAYG scheme of the government for providing shelter to the poor is still incomplete, even after 2 years. The BJP government in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, led by Honorable Mr. Tuliram Ronghang, announced in the public meeting in several places that the party is against corruption in the district, while many beneficiaries are complaining that the contractor Mr. Biren Tiso get withdrawn the amount 2 times. Without the knowledge of the beneficiaries, the local people allege that local representative Mr. Pawan Kumar, he also silent in this matter. Now the beneficiary requests the authority to complete the house within any further delay. News by our special correspondent Mr. Samuel Timur. Small vehicle and lightweight medium vehicle, light bike and scooty are scared of crossing the bridge. A place near Chokihola under Nilip constituency, many villagers like Warprok, Sarihuti, Borlangso, Borpung, Tarapung are facing lots of problems due to weak wooden bridge, which is very old and dilapidated conditions. The people expresses their concern whether this old bridge will be repaired by the concerned authority. The people are very hopeful that MAC Pobitro Rongpi, Nilip VDC Chairman Timonti Teron will definitely understand their problems and do the necessary arrangement for the repairing or the constructions of the bridge. News from our special correspondent Moses Teron. Mensing Terang of Satgao, West Karbi Anglong seek financial help from CEM Mr. Tuliram Ronghang. Name Mensing Terang from Satgao, Terang village under Ronghang constituency was suffering from illness since the last 1 year, and now he can't barely walk. The family members of Mr. Terang had sold all their valuables and tried many traditional treatments, but there is no sign of any improvement. Since they belong to a poor family, they cannot afford for any further treatment, so they request CEM Mr. Tuliram Ronghang for giving financial help for their treatment. News from our special correspondent Dikanto Terang. Thank you for being with us. For more updates, keep watching News 24 Karbi Anglong.